Is it just me? Or are there more of those things now?
I fear the dimensional cataclysm is getting worse.
Well, the sooner we find Pierre, the sooner we can get to fixing all of this. Somehow.
We will find a way. Like always.
Oh, what a tune! In unrelated news, our dome must be closed today for a private event. The execution of Pierre Lafaire. All trespassers shall be shot and or stabbed on sight. And remember Article 4 of the Pirate Code. Never blow up your own bloomin' ship.
Of course, our only lead to finding Captain Quantum is about to be executed.
Perhaps someone else can tell us where he is.
Feeling more precise than spray and pray? Get the headhunter for stellar shooting. Boost that bad boy! You gonna love that upgrade! Bless your heart! You already own that one! You all come back real soon now.
Ah, 'tis a fine night for an execution.
I've been waiting for this moment ever since I heard that wretched...
Hi! Could we please speak with Captain Quantum?
Stop me, lumberjacks!
Looks like they were spying on something with that telescope.
Hear us sing and bells will ring.
What was that?
Keep moving. Please.
Hey, buddy. When all this is over, will you help me find the Lombaxes?
Of course, Ratchet. You changed your mind?
Maybe. I don't know. For today, I thought the Dimensionator could only bring me trouble. But without it, we would have never met Rivet or Kit. I think that means something.
Nice! Bastard dead!
Please let that be all the critters.
Never me!
Listen here, pup. If you help release me, I shall give ye this nice succulent bone. 'Tis beautiful, eh? All right. I see 'tis not in it.
So what are executions like? 'Tis me first one to trespassers ahoy! With the killing!
Lock him in! Surrounded! Get no more, Dave!
Here it
be quick! We can still make the execution!
We always need more snacks for bubbles!
Ow! What's happening?
The dimensional cataclysm is getting worse.
Great! Riptoons!
We are not done yet. Another rift is opening up.
Okay, was that all the pirates on this planet? Because it sure felt like it.
Oh, we are never that lucky.
There! Pierre, straight ahead!
So fast, you meddling trespasser! Not so fast, you meddling trespasser!
And I'll never go swimming again.
Now! That ship had to go boom on Molonov! One could even say it destroyed itself!
Oh, bubbles!
If anyone wanted to save moi, now would be...
Intruders? You can't stop the swift arm of justice, you...
What are you two doing here?
I'm not hurt. We're rescuing you?
Blaming, but... Why?
We need your help to speak to Captain Quantum. He's in grave...
Hey, whatever! Get me away from this mutant calamari!
Pirates flying in.
On it. Thanks, pal.
Thieves incoming!
Merci! Merci! Now swing me onto the dock and get me away from this beast! Normally I would not have enemies, but you did save my life, and I am Pierre Lefebvre, gentleman extraordinaire! If you want an audience with Captain Quantum, you must complete the pirate trials.
What are those?
A tradition as old as grog, and how old pirates earn their colors. Head to Skull Mountain. If you complete the trial there, you will find the captain.
You break it, you buy it! Goodbye now!
That is not the way to Skull Mountain, but I did see the pirates.
popular if there are this many pirates guarding it. I'm not seeing any booty here.
Perhaps there is something we are missing.
How did they get past the... Protect the boat! They're throwing grenades!
Now that booty chest is all ours. A map-o-matic? Sweet. Hey, there's a teleporter.
Pierre is quite fishy. I am not sure I trust him.
Me neither. But he's our best shot at finding Captain Quantum. We just need to get through these trials. Hold on. Is grog made out of...
I think this Speedle might appreciate getting out of here.
Ha!
It appears the base of Skull Mountain is just past those wrecked ships.
Please don't crash! Please don't crash! There aren't any brakes, are there? So you've ridden one of these Speedles before, right, Clank?
If one can call hanging on for dear life riding.
Guess it remembers us.
And is following us?
Something's not right about all this.
Welcome to the Pirates Trials! Now who will be swashbuckling with us today?
What?
Ahoy there! What? Your trial awaits!
So, are you having fun today? Good luck to you.
The pirate trials are a theme park?
Cool.
What?
Think your pipes are ready for a shifty shuffling shanty?
Oh no.
Aye, that be the spirit. Listen to our shanty carefully and shoot the pirates in order to sing it back.
Me hearties, sing shanties.
Me hearties, sing shanties.
Fine work indeed! Now the little matey!
Pardon?
I hope your memory be sharp!
Girls in
Respectable positions of power!
Of girls in respectable positions of power.
'Tis music to my ears. Now, everyone, I, that be the spirit, who linger by the shore.
Who linger by the
shore.
Bravo! Ye have passed the first trial with flying colors. Now press on to the second.
I thought that went rather well.
Yeah, guess we...
So, you think yourself a pirate, eh? Think again! For now, ye face your greatest trial yet. The terror of Boku Bay. The destroyer of Moon 34B. The inspiration behind every midnight tale. Every shape in the shadows. And all that be unholy in our fair galaxy. The one, the only, Snoojax!
It's just a Grunthor.
Was a Grunthor.
Oh yeah, forgot to mention our second trial be temporarily out of order.
Think you can help us get that gold bolt glitch?
Just take it nice and steady. And this computer will be fixed up for Ratchet in no time. As long as I don't let those viruses trap me again.
Very nice to hear, Glitch.
You?
We didn't want to interrupt. But don't worry. Next time, we shall talk face to face.
I am looking forward to it.
Oh, you, Glitch.
Ye survived the Snoojax! Impressive! Then let us see if ye have what it takes to come and so, Captain! still lurks beneath these waters. Pirates on all sides! Hold fast, little buccaneer! Get the pirates out of the way! The intrepid! What? Spies land ahead! Could this be it? Of course it is! But the treasure be protected by the island's spirit! The guardian! Oh no! Victory! Hard fought and hard won! And now the treasure crank be finally free! But wait! Surprise puffoid attack! Hark! Let it be known that on this day, against all odds and opposition, Captain... What? Became a pirate, proud and true! Please accept this humble prize that was certainly worth risking life and limb for!
Whoa, not bad at all.
Ye survived? I mean... Huzzah! The captain is just up ahead.
Finally! Looks like Pierre was telling the truth after all.
Let us see what is up ahead first.
Uh-oh.
Perhaps that means congratulations in Kraken.
That doesn't make it any better!
Ratchet, run!
So, Captain what? What brings ye here?
You're, in danger. The Emperor has
Dimensionator?
You already knew?
Har har! We bugged him! Greatest job we ever pulled! So actually, he's the one in danger!
We could get ahead of the Emperor with that thing.
Thing? It's me face!
But you're not a robot.
What? Ye dare!
Huh? Oh.
Wait, this dimension has a quark?
Quark? It's quantum!
Captain Quantum.
Murderer!
No, it's me!
It be me! Quantum! See?
Ye will pay for defiling our captain's head like that. Both of ye.
No!
This is all your fault, Captain Quantum! You have to save me!
My name's Ratchet. Will you give us the helmet? Captain Quark! He's our dimension's version of you, but we really should talk about this later?
Captain, huh? Oh, I got some competition.
One left now.
Are they gone?
You tell me. Is that the last of them?
Well, if I were their captain, I would be regrouping for a counterattack right now. But I'm not anymore. So who knows?
That sounds ominous.
Aha! We're nearly ready for takeoff! Quick! Freedom! Sweet, glorious free! Hold on. Oh, no.
Is the whole planet after us?
If they weren't trying to stab me, I'd be so honored right now. Just a little bit longer. We're almost at full power.
Where is that ship going?
What the heck is that thing?
They've deployed the plunder beam. It's an ambush. And a perfectly executed one at that. Oh, I taught them well.
We will pay for beheading our captain.
Plunder beam!
The thunder beam is down.
All aboard! You know, you two make pretty good pirates. Would you ever be interested in joining my new crew? You'd each get a hat.
Thanks, but maybe we should focus on escaping first before the pirates or the Emperor get here.
Emperor? We'll be long gone before he ever gets close to me. We are ready for takeoff. Initiate the launch thrusters!
Are we gonna need seatbelts?
We've run aground! I can't move her! No! They have a scutboard!
You mean that ginormous cannon?
Blow us all to Poketaru! You have to disable it!
Ratchet, we need to disable the scuttle fast.
Right. There has to be...
not working, Ratchet.
You thinking what I'm thinking?
I am afraid so. We have no choice. Hit the bell!
Fair's fair. So, this Captain Quark, is he a pirate in your dimension too?
No, he's a hero. Even though he's betrayed us, surrendered to save his own skin, taking credit for our...
He's a hero?
Because no matter how many times he screws up, he's always there when it matters most. He never stops trying.
The dimension's falling apart. The Emperor's all-powerful, and my life's in danger. Perfect time for a career change.
And there you are.
What are you doing?
Hero stuff!
Quantum actually saved us. Wow.
We must let Rivet and Kit know.
We will, as soon as they're finished up on Sargasso. Hope everything's going well over there.